Welcome my people to Africa Bible Tori. Una don land for the correct place where we dey break Bible Tori from Genesis to Revelation into sweet pidgin tori. My name na Rebecca. Today, I wan tell una one correct story. E get one time wey God decide say e wan test Abraham. You sabi Abraham now. Na him be the same man wey don wait for pikin sotey come finally born Isaac when e don reach 100 years. Im wife Sarah sef don old reach 90 years wey dem take born the pikin. So one day, Baba Abi almost wan use im pikin Isaac do barbecue. A whole 100 years old man. But how e take happen na I wan yarn una so for Genesis chapter 22. Make we begin. One cool evening, Abraham dey relax for under one big mango tree, dey sip im palm wine. Im wife Sarah sef dey busy inside dey shout for im pikin make e no break plate. As Abraham dey chill, na so Baba God call am. Abraham spit palm wine with shock, look around. He say, Baba God, na me be dis o. Baba God tell am say, I want make you carry your pikin, your only son Isaac wey you love well well, dey go Moriah go sacrifice am for one mountain wey I go show you. Abraham almost choke on im palm wine, dey cough. He say, Baba God, no vex o. You talk say make I do wetin? God tell am again say, I say make you sacrifice your pikin Isaac. I go show you the location. Just go. If na you, if you no reason am 2 times before you disappear. The next day, na so he wake up early in the morning, prepare im donkey, call Isaac im pikin, carry firewood, knife and 2 servants, then begin waka go the mountain wey God talk about. For the 3rd day, Abraham come sight the place from afar. So he come tell im servant, make una wait for here with the donkey, but me and the boy go up for there go worship God, come back. Abraham take the wood for the offering, come carry am put for im pikin Isaac head. Then he take the fire and the knife, and the 2 of them come waka dey go. Abraham and Isaac dey climb the mountain. The 2 servants wait for ground. As dem dey go, Isaac dey reason the matter. Isaac dey observe things wey dey go on. Im head come begin hot small. Isaac look around, scratch head, talk, Papa, abeg I get one question. Abraham say, ask my pikin. I see firewood, I see knife, I see you, but where the ram wey we go sacrifice? Isaac don dey reason the mathematics o. Something no just dey add up. But Abraham just smile like person wey dey play ludo wey go still win. Abraham answer, my pikin, God go provide the lamb wey we go use for the offering. Then the 2 of them come waka dey go. When dem reach the place where God talk about, Abraham come build altar for there, and he arrange the wood on top. Then he tie Isaac hand and leg, come put am on top the altar, come carry knife up. As he wan bring am down, and so one loud voice from heaven burst like thunder. God angel call am from heaven, Abraham, no touch the pikin o. Abraham drop the knife, dey breathe hard. Baba God, na you dey talk? Be like say network strong for here o. The angel come say, no worry, no touch the pikin. I don see say you really fear God, because you ready to sacrifice your only pikin. Check bush, ram don dey there. Abraham turn, look, true one correct ram dey for bush wey dey trap. And so Abraham untie Isaac. Dem come sacrifice the ram instead. He come name the place Jehovah Jireh, meaning God dey provide. Until today, dem dey say for God mountain, he go provide everything. God angel call Abraham again from heaven. He tell Abraham say, because you do this thing, you no hold back your pikin. I swear by myself, I go bless you scatter. Your children go plenty like sand for beach and stars for sky. Dem go control enemy gates, take all the things wey belong to them, because you obey God. Through your pikin dem, the whole world go receive better blessing. As Abraham and Isaac dey go down the mountain, Isaac just dey shake head, still dey reason the matter. Isaac dey talk for him mind say, so if no be God intervention, my papa for don kpai me, roast me today just like that. Abraham laugh small, rub Isaac head. He tell am say, leave matter for Matthias, my pikin. No be every test dey easy. After that, Abraham and Isaac return go meet his servant. Then all of them waka go back to Beersheba, where Abraham dey stay. My people, see as the matter be, e show say Abraham trust God well well. Even when the instruction no clear. Sometimes, God go test us to see whether we really trust am. But one thing sure, God no go ever leave person wey dey obey am stranded. As he do for Abraham, he go still do for you. Just trust am. Till next time, una go hear from me again. Bye.